welcome back to my channel. My name is Allison Greedle. I make videos on makeup, marketing, and motherhood. Today I'm going to be showing you a healthy lunch option, a spicy black bean gluten-free wrap. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. Okay, so I'm going to be starting off with the Mission gluten-free spinach and herb wrap.
I want a too.
You want some too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, do you want to have a green wrap or do you want one of these? These ones? Okay. And then we're gonna take some Sabra roasted red pepper hummus and spread that, just wait, no, not yet. We're gonna spread that onto our wrap. So, do you want to spread it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
What do I do?
Okay.
You do it right now?
Sure.
A big wheel, maybe.
That's a big one?
Yeah. I do want them too.
Okay.
Mmm. Yummy.
And then what else are you going to put on yours?
This maybe.
Some of that?
Yep.
All right, so use the spoon, please. We have some feta cheese there.
Some more?
No, that's enough. That's enough.
Yes.
Nope, that's enough. All right, so how about some avocado? Oh, cover your mouth, please.
I need some.
Oh, you gonna put some on mine?
Yeah.
I think I need some more.
A lot, maybe.
A lot?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll put it on there, maybe.
And I think that's enough.
Okay.
No, okay, that's enough cheese for you.
Okay. That's too much for mine?
All right, and then Bentley is gonna have some of this mesquite smoked turkey. You're gonna put all of that on there?
On you too?
No, I'm gonna have something else, so you can use all of that if you want. Do you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
There.
There. And then do you want some cilantro on yours?
No,
Just do a little bit?
I don't want.
You don't want? So you're gonna show everybody yours? Oh, here. Want me to wrap it for you?
Yeah. No.
You got it?
Yeah.
Good job, bud.
Wow.
Here. I'll help you wrap it a little bit.
Okay. They will be happy.
All right, go ahead with yours. And so then,
There you go, everybody.
and so I've cooked up my spicy black bean burger. And so I'll just put it on there. And then I'll put some feta on it. And top it with some cilantro. And there you have it, a healthy version or a healthy option for your lunch. I love these spicy black bean burgers. A friend of mine introduced me to this option. She's from Chicago and she visited some restaurant that had this or some version of this. And so I thought I could start making it my own version here at home. Hi, honey. So I hope you enjoy this and don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Say bye.
Bye.
They can't see you.